Jangan lupa
like, share, subscribe.
YouTuber, low cost.
keren.
Welcome to BEC.
Thank you.
Yeah, waiting for you.
Oh,
Good night, fellas.
Have a seat there. Cari tempat. Please. Thank you. Yeah, relax. Ah, please. Yeah. What do you mean, sir?
Oh, me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry.
That's alright, Mrs.
Are you nervous? No,
I am very nervous.
Don't be like that.
You guys are quiet, You sound like you speak pretty good English to me.
I want to improve my English.
You're doing pretty good, you're
Oh, thank you, miss. Thank you very much. Do you want to visit my home?
Where is your home?
My home in Arab. Do you know Arab? If you want to know,
Bangladesh.
yes. If you want to know,
right.
come on.
If I had time, I would love to. But because we only here for one more day.
One more time.
Yeah, and we already have lots we need to do. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
But one day I may come back here.
Oh, what?
It's I work. I have a job. I work in an office. Yeah. Office.
Office.
Yeah, office work.
What is office? I don't know.
Computer.
Oh, office. Oh, office.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
office.
yeah, office. Office.
Office.
Yes. Hard work. 2 years of saving money to come for this holiday. So for my plane ticket here and back, 600 Australian dollar. About the same as 6 million rupiah. Yeah.
What is it in Australia?
$600 is 6 million rupiah. Yeah. I do. Yeah, the more I like it. When we first got here yesterday, I was a bit scared because I've never been here before.
What do you think about Madura?
I think it's really lovely.
Very hot or?
Very bloody hot.
Oh.
Very hot. I see.
After that, where are you?
After here, yeah, just back to Bali into the mountains, and then after that I go back another 1 week. I go back to Australia.
1 month.
Yeah, 1 week back to Australia, and then I go back to work.
Do you know this?
The stone.
Stone. Oh yes.
Oh
That is
yeah,
stone.
it's a stone. Yeah.
Like stone.
It's a ring, a stone set in a ring. Yes. Is this
After-
yours?
No.
Oh, is it? Very beautiful. Yeah.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Is that if you like?
yeah.
Just kidding there.
Yes, it is very beautiful. Very nice taste.
Only a couple of days.
Yes, very good.
In your home, do you have?
The stones like this in Australia? Yes, lots of stones like that. Yeah. Diamonds. Yeah. Diamonds, gold. Australia has a lot of natural resources, so lots of stones and minerals. Yeah, like coal and oil and gas. Yeah, so but yeah, lots of natural resources.
He works and lives in Australia, has a good job and earns good money because he speaks English. So yeah, learn from that. If you think, oh, maybe English is too hard and I can't do that, it's not worth it, that's okay. You want to stay here, but if you want to do better and earn more money, make more money for your family, the English is very good. Very good, because everyone speaks English around the whole world. So you can get a job anywhere if you can speak English and get a passport.
Do you know Mr. Jokowi?
Jokowi. I know who he is, I have not met him. But you like him? You think he's good?
Yes.
Yeah, I think he's good.
But they are very good to eat.
Oh,
Yeah.
you ever eat?
Yes.
Excuse me, may I use that? I want.
Yeah.
There is the brand also.
What do you mean?
You would you like to use my you use.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Can I use?
Yeah, you can take photo if you want.
Yeah. Like people Australian
Sitting around doing nothing? No. Skateboarding? Skateboarding? Yeah. I love music. Drums. Golf? I'm not very good. Have a go? Not very good. You play golf?
Yes. I feel like go.
Yeah, right. Basketball. Like
My hobby ball.
football?
Football. Playing ball. Playing
Playing football. You play in a team?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're different teams?
Yeah.
Who wins the games?
I like team national Australian.
Ah, good team, aren't they? Good team.
In FIFA World Cup in Brazil.
Brazil? Yeah, Brazil, good team.
What is name striker Australian in FIFA World Cup?
Oh gosh,
Australian.
I wouldn't have a clue. Ask the boys that question.
I like striker.
Right. It's not Cahill or something like that.
My favorite.
Ah, you even know.
Hari ini murid-murid BEC sudah praktek bahasa Inggris dengan teman-teman kita dari Australia. Dan alhamdulillah mereka jauh-jauh dari Australia, membutuhkan waktu kurang lebih perjalanan 2,5 jam atau 3,5 jam ke Indonesia untuk menemui teman-teman BEC untuk praktekkan bahasa Inggris. Nah, sekarang saya mau menanyakan opini mereka tentang bahasa Inggris murid-murid BEC seperti apa. Get it down. Grace, what do you think about our students' English? Your opinion?
I think your students have got very good English, very, very good English,
Oh, yeah?
very friendly people,
Thank
and
you.
what a wonderful bunch you are here. It's been my absolute pleasure to be here, to meet you, and to practice English with you. Thank you so much.
All right. And what do you think? Great. Yeah.
Yes.
What is your opinions about my student and around here in BEC's office here?
I agree with Sharon. You're a great bunch of people. They're studying very hard. They enjoy. They've got a good teacher, good teachers. So, and like I said, just keep practicing, everyone.
All right. So what about the weather?
The weather, I love it. It's great.
Yeah.
Nice and hot.
Nice and hard. All right. Last one. This is the smiling guys. Always smiling. Look like, and you know, the Australian, ada di Australia itu ada yang namanya crocodile mind. Dundee. I love that man, but he was passed away. Yeah. Oh, well. What's his name? Damien.
Damien.
What's your name?
My name's Damien.
So, what is your opinion about my students, Damien's?
Their enthusiasm for English is amazing. They were so excited to meet us, which was a little bit overwhelming at first, but they're such a nice group of people that they are learning English very well, and all you need to do is keep practicing speaking English at every possible opportunity to each other and at home and to other people, and practice makes perfect.
That's great.
Yeah.
Itu masukan dari Grace. Nggak ngerti, makanya belajar bahasa Inggris. Karena saya tidak akan ngasih teks. No text on my video. You want to know what we are talking about? Learn English in Blue English course, right?
Blue English
Blue
course.
English course.
All right. And don't forget, it's one day if you come to Indonesia, if you have time,
We come back.
Absolutely.
yeah,
Thank
I'm
you.
so pleasure to wait here. Right, guys? All right.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget, no, it's not my channel YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Tetap semangat, selalu belajar bahasa Inggris. Keep it up. Don't never give up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mereka.